Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. Let me just close this door. So welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a deep cleaning of the house, guys. I'm going to clean and decorate my living room, and I'm also going to reorganize my fridge. And I'm also going to unbox this vacuum cleaner. So let us do this together, guys. I just bought a new vacuum cleaner, so we are going to unbox this. So I mentioned that I'm going to clean my living room. Let me just show you how it looks like. This is the current state of the living room. So if you remember, that wall had a wallpaper, so I just painted it white. So that is the current state. So I have a white carpet that I want to put there, and I also have, oh, my hands are so itchy, and I also have white cushions that I want to replace these cushions with white cushions. And I have this wall paintings that I need to put on that wall, and that was the reason that I repainted this wall white, because it wouldn't look nice if I put any painting on that wall when there was a wallpaper, a flower wallpaper. Yeah, so I'm going to deep clean. I'm going to mop the floors. I'm going to mop the floors, and then I'm going to rub to clean the walls a little bit. As you can see, it's dirty there. Yeah, so let's just open it. You know why I love this, why I bought this, why I chose this one? It's having a long cord. It's like, they said it's like 7.5 meters cord, and also the what? Ooh, okay. We have this. This is a handle. Oh, it's this one. Wow. Look, it stretches like, wow. They say this can stretch up to 4 meters. You see? Like now it looks short. It looks short, but it can stretch like up to 4 meters. You don't have to be moving your the vacuum. You don't have to be moving the thing. You see? See how it stretches out. Oh, I love this. This is lovely. And then, okay, there's this instruction manual. There's a manual there. And then, oh, there's a brush. There's a brush inside. Oh, my hands are so itchy. But it's okay because I've been cleaning anyway. So there's that brush there. So you just connect it, put it there. And what is this? What is this? Oh, you see this part is like for cleaning glass. I'll find out what it is. Okay, this is just the instruction manual. Oopsie. Yeah. Oopsie. So there is the vacuum itself. The body of the vacuum. See? It's so beautiful. So I'm so bad at reading instruction manuals, ne? Like, I'm just I just don't like reading manuals. Unless I get stuck somewhere, then I can consider taking the instruction manual. But if I just figure things out just like that. I just realized that there was really nothing much that needs to assemble apart from putting on the handle. I just screwed on the handle, and then I put this one. So okay guys, I got a little bit disappointed there. As I was unboxing this Hoover, this vacuum cleaner, I just found out that 2 of the brushes are missing from the box. These two brushes are missing. This one and this one. These 2 are not in the box. So I don't know now if I should return it or I should just keep it that way. I'm really disappointed, honestly. I'm watching the Traveler Queen as I do my cleaning. I'm watching the Traveler Queen's new video. Yeah, let me get the mop and the cleaning materials. So I'm going to use this one. That is what I'm going to use for the floor. And then I also have this one, pine. See this one? It's just a antibacterial multi-purpose spray. So I'm just going to clean the windows. finished cleaning the sitting room, so I've come now to the kitchen and I just want to empty the fridge, dust it, and then I'll pack everything in nicely. So let's go. I'm going to go in with this one. It's a hygienizer detergent for refrigerator and freezer. Extra hygiene, that's what I'm going to use for the fridge. The lighting is not so good in here, to be honest. It's not so good at all. So that means I'll have to buy a ring light, a light. I do have a ring light though, but that's too small. I don't think it will make any difference. Better pick up those seats. tour of the fridge. So that is the temperature of the deep freezer, and this is the temperature of the normal fridge, and this is the lock. It's locked. Yeah, so this fridge is very special. You can actually set it. So if you want something frozen, like as in frozen in like less than a minute, you can set the temperature very high, and then you just make your ice or whatever you want to freeze. So this is the final tour of the fridge after organizing it. As you can see, these are my drinks, these are my ciders, and this is beer, and this is water, and this is Tango orange drinks for the kids.